Hirakumar, Soya, 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 Soya.
This is Indra speaking. Some of you know me as God Indra. You know me as a master of mantra, which means I am an expert in the language of light. The language of light creates, heals, and connects. We'll be using it in this lecture, just like in many others. Keep listening if you want to benefit from it on your journey to becoming an active ambassador of light. The grand theme today is nature. All things natural in each of you. In your world, there is this way of saying that someone is natural. This is a great compliment in your world of form, and it hints at your true origin, nature. With this lecture, I want to help you recognize yourselves as part of nature once again. Allow the light language conveyed in this lecture to take root within you. I want to help you accept what is natural in you. You all originated from nature. You are no artificial beings. You are natural beings. You are part of nature. This means that you are part of Mother Earth and will eventually return to her womb. Naturalness has almost disappeared from the earth. Yet, as part of nature, you have a power within you that can revive and blossom again and again. Nothing is truly bound to perish. Everything carries the seed of new life within it, just like nature, which constantly regenerates and expands. What could be more powerful than nature? Your Mother Earth, AMAYA, is part of a large community of emissaries of nature. These emissaries are here to guide you back to nature. As you know, AMAYA reflects the soul of the divine. Everything in the divine plan comes into being in a natural way. Allow me to share a few examples. Crystals. They are created through divine intention and among other things, through external forces that act upon them. It takes a long time for them to form. Their creation is a natural process. Second example, children. Becoming and being a mother is a natural process. The growth of a child takes time and is precisely planned by the divine. Example 3. The establishment of any kind of undertaking that is successful in the new era. These undertakings require divine intention, meaning they must align with the divine plan and the contract for living on the new earth. When you plan your endeavors together with the Creator, they take the course that the divine plan has mapped out for them. The ego will not interfere, and all beings from all 12 kingdoms of the earth will be factored in. This learning means a big leap forward for everyone. Nature is very patient. It forgives a lot. All it needs is your goodwill and your willingness to act accordingly. In everything you do, consider yourself part of the Creator and of creation. Through the power of this lecture, I, Indra, give you the drive to align all your endeavors and all your actions toward unity with nature, divine nature. Simply allow it to happen. Focus your intentions on this. As an envoy of nature, Lord of water and natural forces in many dimensions, I convey this connection to you through the power of the light language contained in this lecture. Simply allow it to happen. We will meet again next week. Please join us as there is much to learn and much to let go of before we can shape our future and existence in accordance with nature's dominion over the new earth. With blessings, yours, Indra. This lecture by God Indra was received by Katharina Adari and voiced by Charles Onwulata. On this note, we have powerful announcements. Kohmahl Agarwal is conducting a powerful 9-day one-on-one course on indigenous Gendam mantra healing. This course will enhance your soul and voice power, which contributes to your spiritual growth. By indigenous Gendam mantra healing, you connect with the sacred triangle of earth, sky, and soul to deepen your connection with nature, ancestors, and divine consciousness. You will find the link to the course and ebook under this podcast. We are also very pleased to announce the new book by Oksana Popova, The Creator's Healing Light. This is a book that will help any person who carries the light to reveal light even more, to realize their significance and their importance for other people, for the earth, and for the entire cosmos. Through the vibration of the word, the reader connects with the divine energy, with their essence, and with me. Thanks to this text, their own power awakens within them, the power they have forgotten about and never even knew they had. This book is energy. It will give readers healing, nourish them, and give them the strength to transition into 5D, as well as the strength to help others in this transition.
Ira Kohmahl.